each of us has an impact on our customer relationships through the work we are doing every day. To lead this transformation, I rely on a trust-based culture, use my sensitivity and intuition to give space for the emotional intelligence that will unleash the collective intelligence of my team. It focuses on digital methods and tools for hand-to-hand business processes that reduce cost and time to market for our products. We truly value the power of each individual, but we believe that there is a much greater power in the collaboration and the teamwork. So I am Valérie Guillaumin, and I have the privilege to lead the digital transformation of the A320 family